What about microwave ovens? What about them? Well, someone asked me the question about microwave ovens and using them. Are they safe? What is my opinion? First of all, I don't have an opinion on a microwave oven. I have facts, and that's not an opinion. And here is the fact. First of all, what is a microwave oven? A microwave oven is an electronic kitchen appliance. Comes in small, medium, and even larger varieties that uses electromagnetic radiation to heat and to cook food. It uses electromagnetic radiation to heat and to cook food. Unlike the conventional oven that uses electricity or gas to cook food, microwaves contain and they emit radiation. And the method that it uses to cook or heat food destroys the very food and the very purpose of that food, which is to supply a healthy, nutritional, hopefully, meal. What are you saying, brother teacher? Cut to the chase. Microwave ovens are very carcinogenic by nature. They, as I said, they put off radiation. They don't cook our food. They don't heat our foods. Traditional in a manner that is natural, like fire, for example. It is an artificial methodology used when you use electromagnetic radiation. And this is harmful to the human being, to anyone that consumes any products that's being heated or cooked therein. So, if you want to heat up a hot pocket, hot dog, a burger, some leftover fries, potatoes, or even that old cup of tea or a cup of coffee, beware. You are using radiation to do that. And the radiation renders all nutritional value of your food zero. There's no nutrition in anything that you cook in the microwave. There's no nutrition left in anything that you heat in the microwave. It's gone. It destroys it. So, my feelings on the microwave or the usage of the microwave, don't use it. I have not used a microwave oven in approximately 5 years. Don't need it. I have no problem turning the oven on and heating something that I had from the night before or earlier in that day. Have no problem turning the stove on or even the burner on and heating something or cooking something. Microwaves are convenient, but they are also costly to our health. That's it, and that's all. If you have anything to add to this, or you would like to share your thoughts and or experiences as it relates to this, please do so. But please comprehend this again. This is not my opinion. These are facts, scientifically proven. Brother teacher out. So long.